Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Chainlink. What's the current price of Chainlink, what's the price change occurring in the Chainlink, and especially in this video I'm talking about the big mistake of the Chainlink holders which they are doing at this time. So please, I request everyone that don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so I hope you will not lose, but you will be safe from many losses. You can see here, if you look the latest price change occurred in the Chainlink, so you can see here that the last 1 hour price change is going negative. So now from this time the price of the Chainlink is fast down, my friends. That is why I recommend and I will make this video for all Chainlink. What is that? Please don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, because now from this time, as you know, it is the end of month, so that is why the price of the Chainlink is fast down, my friends. Remember, my friends, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video. Subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I recommend for everyone to please subscribe now. Now the last 1 day, last 1 week price change occur in the Chainlink is going positive, but I think in the future they will become negative if this kind of price falls down. Let's see. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the Chainlink. The price change occurred in the last 1 month as negative 9.48%, but you can see here in the last of this month they start moving upward. But my friends, I don't think that they take a huge pump. Now it is the end of month, so at this time they have a lot of chances to the price fast down. They have a lot of chances to the price fast down, so that is why I recommend for everyone that it's not a perfect time to sell. It's time to hold. My personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for all of you is that it's time to hold, my friends. You can see here that the last 1 month price change is negative, so that's mean that you are in the loss if you decide to sell. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump in the future. That is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to hold, not to sell. What do you think? What is your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.